Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Huntington Bank to the Robinhood app. First, click on the profile icon on the bottom right hand corner. Then click on the three lines on the upper left hand corner. Next, click on Transfers. Then click on Add Account. Then click on Bank Account. Then it's going to take a couple seconds for Plaid to actually load. But what Plaid is that it connects your accounts in seconds and it also keeps your data and account safe. Click on Continue, then click on Continue as Guest, then click on Huntington. Now at this point, it's going to prompt you to log into your Huntington Bank so that you can select which accounts you want to connect to Robinhood. But there you have it guys, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.